I'm Siyona Bose, and welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life, and today I'm going to show you the toys with which I play in my leisure time. मेरी वीडियो आखिर तक देखिए ताकि मैं आगे बढ़ सकूं. Please watch this video till the end. I have a dollhouse here. I'm going to show you a few toys in this video. So here I have a dollhouse and just showing you what's inside. So inside we have 4 dolls. Her name is Mira, her name is Hippo, her name is Lara, and her name is Sarah. And I have made a few copies for them. I have an English copy, I have a maths copy, science copy, and scrapbook. And they have a bag. So in the morning they woke up now. I'm going to make a little few now for them. I'm going to make a little few and then whoops. Mira has a bit of a problem. Yes, and now the twins are going. Not twins, siblings. So, their food was already ready in the morning itself. I woke up early. I made their food, and now I have 2 plates. Since they're small, they ate from 2 plates. They finished their food. And now they're gonna go up to the bed. So this is how I play with my dollhouse. Now I'm showing you a Barbie skill set. It's actually not a Barbie doll, it's a Chelsea doll. I call her Chelsea only. Look at Chelsea. She has a backpack, she has a few shoes, and she's wearing blue specs. So it starts, she's waiting under the tree to go to school. So she reaches school, first she goes for the canteen and then in class. She sits inside class. She has scissors and glue, and inside her backpack are a few books. And here I have a blackboard. So the day went on going, and she was learning things. So here we can interchange the words too. Teacher's a bit clumsy. Now we have dinosaur board. Earlier we had space board. Now we have dinosaur board. So she is learning, she is listening to lectures. So it has become midday now. It's time for her lunch. She gets off her chair. She doesn't leave her bag though. She wears her specs and goes to the canteen. She takes the first tray and pays for it at the counter. She pays for it and then eats her food. There's cookie, there's banana, there's juice, there's a few condiments, salt, pepper, and all that, and there's some water. So she happily enjoys her meal. Then she says bye to her teacher and heads home. So now she goes under the tree once again, waiting for her bus to go home. This is how I play with my skill set. Now I'll show you a kitchen set and a few of my dolls. Let me just show you what's there. I have a few utensils over here, a knife, a fork, a frying spatula, and a ladle. I've got a wine glass, 3 teacups, a burger inside the box. I know the box is empty, but I'm assuming there's a burger inside. It's written breakfast time. So it can be sandwich or burger. I have, actually there's donut here too. 3 donuts, pink, teal, and chocolate, spoon, plate, a pouch, egg pouch. What do you like one? One for. I have some popcorn here in a cup. Got ice cream, a kettle. Inside the kettle I make the tea, like I turn it on and make the tea. And now I pour it inside the teapot and serve the tea in the cups. I've got 3 dolls here. Here, all are Barbie. This is a Bring to Pay doll. And this is Barbie and this is Barbie. I've got kitchen sets here too. So here inside I have pet food. Here I have an oven. Inside I have utensils, plates, a dish. I'm just showing you. A dish for serving a few kinds of kebabs. Whoopsies. It's a little unstable, don't worry. It's fine, she's not hurt. That's the main thing. Okay, we've got a few pots here. I've got 2 pots actually. I've got 2 pots here to make soup. And here I've got 2 plates with deep edges so that I can put more food inside. And here I have a fridge. Let me just open and show you. Oops, another strawberry falls down in the ice cream too. I know the fridge is a bit empty because I've used up all the food inside the Skills canteen. I've got French fries, a sandwich, pineapple, grapes, strawberry, and corn. And the rest of the food is used up in the canteen I already showed you in the Skill. And we have one more, a sink where I can just turn on. And here also, there are 2 taps actually. We can turn it around. We can turn it on, turn it off. And I'm opening up the cabinet. So I've got 2 pieces of bread, sesame bread, and I've got some French fries inside. And here I've got a glass. I've got a glass here. Look. Whoops, I forgot about my lettuce over here. The lettuce is supposed to go here. And I have a cup for serving tea too. Closing up the cabinet. Now I'm moving our teapot so that you can see what's in the below cabinet. Just moving it. I've got a pressure cooker for steaming and all. And I've got a tiny teapot here. And here I've got some fish. Oh, and I had an onion too. I'm supposed to keep the onion over here because here I'm supposed to keep my ingredients. Onion, go there. Now I've got some fish here to serve and fry in my frying pan. I'm just showing you. Here I've got some chocolate inside. I've got 2 bars of chocolate too. Oh. So I can serve chocolate on the donuts. I can melt it. I can do so many things in the kitchen. And I'm going to fry my fish now. So I fried the fish, which was inside. And now I'm going to serve it on a plate for the customers to see. So eat it. I'm done with my fish. And now, since my shop has continuous supply, I've got more fish to serve for next customer. And here I've got the tap. And now I need to pop some popcorn. So I go and have a cup here. I go into my pressure cooker and cook the popcorn. Let it pop. It's finished popping. And now I need to take out the popcorn. It's gone out of control. And put it inside the tub and finally enjoy it. So these 3 dolls have taken this tub of popcorn and started eating. Boop, 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 boop. And now I've got a wine glass here where we're going to put some wine. But I'm going to look for some wine in the kitchen. There we got some wine. Oh, here I've got some wine. So I'm going to get some water first, and then I'm going to pour the wine. So I need some wine. Where did I keep the wine? Okay, I must have kept it here because I poured in the wine. And now I'm going to give it here. Ooh. So she has drunk the wine now. And now they are happily staying together, chit-chatting, where I made their dessert. So they've enjoyed their dessert too. And and they want to take some takeout, so they've taken the breakfast time. Maybe they have become a bit lazy today to make their breakfast tomorrow, so they've taken the takeout. Bye bye. Okay. So this is how I play with my kitchen set. It's really elaborate. Here, see how I play with my kitchen set. It's really elaborate. See, we've got an oven, we've got cabinets, we've got pets food, we've got 2 more cabinets, a sink, a fridge, and here, oh, I forgot to show you this too. I got a tray here, and I've got a landline phone to just call up people, or people when they call me for orders. I can hear it from here, no problem. So this is all of my kitchen set. Oh, and I forgot to show you this too. Here I've got a pan, I've got a not pressure cooker really, it's actually a kind of pot where I make rice, cabbage curries, many kinds of curries, and here I fry eggs and all. And here I kind of hand stuff, but I don't really get stuff to hand. So, and here I just kept one stylish Banbury kind of thing. Means this is your Banbury of the kitchen, and here you can adjust the temperature too. Means it's not real fire and all. And here I've even got a grill. Look, there's a grill over here. And these are my serving things. We have got some cutlery, and these crockery are very high quality, I must say. And my teapot goes there, and my tea. Oh, I've got 3 cups. I need to serve tea tonight too. They come the next morning. So I have some tea in the teapot, which I'm serving now, and they say it's delicious. It means I've served some exquisite food, and everyone comes to my restaurant because they sell very nice and exquisite food. So people most of the time prefer my restaurant. It's really great to have so many toys. But I have more toys to show you, like some farms, or many other kitchen sets I have, like dolls, so many things. But it's not easy to depict so many toys in just a video. So, sorry I cannot accommodate those, but I hope you like the toys which I showed you today in this video. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In the next blog, we will discuss on tidbits of mathematics, starting from episode 1, which is quick squares of 2-digit numbers. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button.